What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do invisible ink on iMessage on your iPhone. Now you can easily send iMessage with invisible ink by following these simple steps. Now all you have to do, guys, you want to open your iMessage, and by the way, you can do this on you can send like pictures and messages like you send with iMessage with invisible ink. Now for example, I'm going to send a picture. I'm going to send iMessage with invisible link. I'm going to send, for example, this picture. So you just want to write something, write like hi, and you want to press and hold on the arrow. Okay, you can do the same steps on messages or anything. Just press and hold on this blue arrow, and you will find 4 different options: loud, gentle, invisible ink, slam. Now you clicked on this video because you want to know how to send iMessage with invisible ink. Just click on this, and then you want to click this blue arrow, and that's exactly, guys, all this person has to do is to click on the video, on the photo, and you will be able to see the invisible the photo. With messages, you can do the same steps. Just send, for example, how are you, and press and hold on this blue, and select invisible ink, and then send it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.